Happy New Year, everyone! Today we're going to make Asian fried rice using our leftover Christmas ham. Our ingredients are garlic, half an onion, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 cups of ham, 2 cups of mixed vegetables. You can also use 2 cups of carrots and peas. This is our secret ingredient. It's our ham drippings that I've saved when I was baking the ham. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Let's start by mincing 6 cloves of garlic. Let's dice a half of an onion. Or you can also use a small onion. Here I'm using the sweet onion. Next, our ham. Let's just chop it in small pieces. So here you can see that I am chopping the lean part of the ham, but I'm also going to use the fatty part of the ham just to use it to render some oil. I'm not going to use any oil, just the parts of the ham that has a lot of or higher fat content. So when you're chopping your ham, just try and separate the one that has the lean part and the fatty part so you don't have a hard time when we start frying. Turn your stove to high, and once your pan is hot, place your ham with a high fat content to render the oil. Once you see enough oil comes out, place your onion and stir it until it's translucent. Onions in. Once your onions are translucent, add your garlic. Stir until your garlic is close to golden brown. Add the rest of your ham. I won't be using any soy sauce in this recipe, in case you're wondering. By the way, guys, before I forget, I used 2 cups of the ham drippings. It's time to add our secret ingredient, which is the ham drippings. I am using the first cup. The ham dripping is just a glaze I use for the pre-cooked ham that I baked for Christmas. I saved some of them so I can use it on some of my recipes. So stir until everything is golden brown. Then add a cup of your mixed vegetables. Check my description, I will post the ham drippings ingredients. So cook your frozen vegetables for around 3 minutes. Then add your 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. So it's time to add our 6 cups of rice. Mix everything until well combined. Then finally add your teaspoon of pepper and teaspoon of salt. Now that everything is combined, it's time to add our last batch of the ham drippings. Just continue to stir and Mix all the ingredients until everything is fully cooked. Again, stir the last batch of the ham drippings in the rice. This is an optional addition to the fried rice recipe. I am getting ready to make a well in the middle of the pan to pour 2 beaten eggs and incorporate it with the fried rice. Keep your medium to high heat and slowly stir the eggs and the rice together until the eggs is fully cooked. This is the last step of our wonderful Christmas ham fried rice recipe. You probably have to do this for 5 to 10 minutes until you are sure that the egg is fully cooked. Once the eggs are cooked, you will see small pieces of eggs that is combined with the rice that looks like a scrambled eggs, but just in thinner and smaller pieces. That's how you can tell that everything is fully cooked. Our Asian fried rice is ready. Enjoy!